Morning children, how are you all? Hope you all are doing fine. So today in our class we will do a new chapter. It is the Little Yellow Hen. So it's our 13th chapter, 13th lesson of the book. So this lesson is based on the poem Not I, Not I and Not I. Do you remember this poem? Yeah, it's our 9th lesson. Just go back in your reader and check the lesson number 9. You will find a poem there, Not I, Not I and Not I. It's same related to this lesson only. Okay. Shall we start now? Yeah. So, the little yellow hen. A little yellow hen lived on a farm with a cat, a dog and a duck. One day she found a few grains of wheat. Who will sow the wheat? She asked. Not I, said the duck. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the dog. So, a little yellow hen lived on a farm. Okay, एक hen क्या है? एक farm पे थे along with a cat, dog and duck. So, a hen, a cat, a dog and a duck. These 4 animals used to live on a farm. So, one day this hen found a few grains of wheat. What did she find? The hen, little yellow hen को क्या find out हुआ? She found some grains of wheat. थोड़े गेहूं के grains मिले. So, what did she ask? She asked who will sow the wheat? ये wheat को कौन sow करेगा? यानी ज़मीन में कौन इसको लगाएगा? What did the duck said? Duck said, not I. The cat said, not I, and the dog said, not I. So, all the 3 friends were not ready to sow the wheat. So, very well then, said the little yellow hen, I will. As nobody was ready to sow the wheat, the little yellow hen she said to herself that she will only sow the wheat. So, she did. So, she sowed the wheat. After some time, the wheat grew tall with ears full of grain. Who will cut the wheat? Asked the little yellow hen. Not I, said the duck. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the dog. So, after some time the wheat was sown into the ground. So, after some time it was into ears of full grain. उस पे क्या हुआ है? झाड़ लग गया वो wheat के ऊपर and it was full of wheat. So, the hen asked कि who will cut off this? Who will cut the wheat? So, the duck said, not I. The cat said, not I, and the dog said, not I. So, the little yellow hen said, very well then, said the little yellow hen, I will. So, she cut the wheat. As nobody was willing to cut the wheat, the little yellow hen herself cut the wheat. Now, who will thrash the wheat? Not I, said the duck. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the dog. Very well then, said the little yellow hen, I will. So, she thrashed the wheat. So, after the trees was cut, the wheat was cut, it was the time of thrashing. उसे thrash करके wheat के grains अलग करते हैं. So, that is called as thrashing. So, the hen asked, who will thrash the wheat? So, the duck said, not I. The cat said, not I, and the dog said, not I. So, finally, the hen only said, I will only thrash the wheat. मैं ही wheat को thrash करती हूँ. Then after thrashing the wheat, she said, who will grind the wheat? Not I, said the duck. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the dog. So after thrashing the wheat, the hen said, who will grind it now? Wheat के जब grains अलग करते हैं तो उसके बाद क्या करते हैं? Wheat के grains को grind करते हैं कि उसका powder बनाए, then to make rotis with it, है ना? जो हम गेहूं का आटा लेते हैं तो पहले गेहूं को grind करते हैं. So, hen asked, now who will grind the wheat? So, the duck said, not I. The cat said, not I, and the dog said, not I. So, the hen said to herself, very well then, said the little yellow hen, I will. So, she ground the wheat. So, the hen said, very well, if no one is ready to grind the wheat, I myself will grind the wheat. तो उन्होंने खुद ही अपना wheat grind किया. When the wheat was ground into the floor, she said, who will bake the bread? Not I, said the duck. Not I, said the cat. Not I, said the dog. So, when the wheat was grind, then it was made into a fine powder. The hen asked, abhi roti kaun banayega? Who will bake the bread? So, the duck said, not I. The cat said, not I, and the dog said, not I. So, finally, little yellow duck hen said, I will bake the bread. And she baked a lovely loaf of bread. What did the hen did? She baked the lovely loaf of bread. Then she said, who will eat the bread? Oh, I will, said the duck. Oh, I will, said the cat. Oh, I will, said the dog. Then after baking the bread, after making the bread, the hen asked, who will eat the bread now? So the duck came happily and said, I will eat the bread. The cat came happily and she said, I will eat the bread. And the dog came happily and it said, I will eat the bread. Did the hen give them the bread? No, she said. Oh no, you would not, said the little yellow hen. Only I will. What did the hen said? No, you will not eat the bread now, only I will eat the bread. And she called her chicks, they all ate up the lovely loaf of bread. And what she did? She called her chicks, she called her children, and all of them ate the bread happily. So kids, what do you get by this? As in the poem, not I, not I, not I. There were four kids of Nancy, right? Lisa, Joe, Tim and Ray. So they were not willing to do any work. They were not doing any work. So what did the mother do? While after making the cake, she ate up all for herself, है ना? Nancy ने भी अपना सारा cake खा लिया था. Then in this story also, the duck, the cat and the dog, they didn't do any work. They didn't sow the wheat, they didn't cut off the wheat, they didn't then thrash the wheat, they didn't ground the wheat, they didn't make the bread. Finally, when it was time for eating, they came up and said, I will eat and I will eat. But in the last, the hen didn't give them any bread and she ate a whole bread along with her chicks. है ना? So whenever we don't do any work, but in the finally we want to share the prize, who will accept that? जब आप कोई भी हर काम के लिए मना करते हो, not I, not I, not I बोलते हो कि मैं नहीं करूँगा, मैं नहीं करूँगा, मैं नहीं करूँ. Then finally when it is eating time, so will anybody will give you food from your plate? No, nobody will allow to eat food from your plate because you didn't do anything, है ना? So kids, it's a bad habit to say not I. You should always be ready to take the challenge. You should always be ready to accept whatever it is coming. You should never say no to anything, most the work. Fine. So with this we have finished the lesson. The question and answers part and the exercise part will do in the next class. So till then what you have to do, iski jo meanings hai, those meanings you have to write in your classwork notebook. Okay. Then below that you can write your question and answers. Fine kids. So we'll meet up in the next class. Till then stay home, stay safe and don't trouble your parents.